Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial on how to share your contact list in Outlook 2025. Whether you're working in a team, collaborating with colleagues, or just want to quickly share contacts with friends, this feature can save you tons of time. Outlook 2025 has made this process even more straightforward, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Outlook 2025 installed and open on your computer. If you're using the web version, the steps are similar, but we'll focus on the desktop app for this guide. Start by launching Outlook and heading to the People tab, which is where all your contacts are managed. This is usually on the left-hand side of the interface. Click on it to access your contact lists. Once you're in the People section, locate the specific contact list you want to share. It could be your main contacts folder or a custom one you've created. Right-click on the folder and look for the Share option in the drop-down menu. If you don't see it right away, double-check that you're selecting the correct folder. Outlook 2025 organizes things neatly, so it should be easy to find. When you click Share, a new window will pop up. Here, you'll get options to share via email, generate a link, or even invite others to view or edit the list. Choose the method that suits you best. For example, if you're sharing with a colleague, an email invitation might be perfect. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, and set any permissions, like whether they can view only or make changes. Hit Send or Share to finalize it, and Outlook will handle the rest. You'll get a confirmation that the sharing request has been sent. To make sure everything worked, you can check the shared folder settings or ask your recipients to confirm they received it. And there you have it. That's how you share your contact list in Outlook 2025. It's a quick, efficient way to stay connected and productive. If you run into any issues, double-check your Outlook settings or reach out to Microsoft support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.